Hello guys, in this video I am going to share how to create a case study on Behance. So I will use Figma to design this case study, and this is a UI UX case study. However, if you are in another industry like graphic design or photography, I will show you the easy and simple way to grab inspiration and create your own case study. I have this landing page design and I am going to create a case study with this landing page design. So actually I am new to Behance and I did some research, and this is the information that I found to create high quality Behance case studies. So first of all you have to do some research. So you can just search on Behance about your industry. In my case, I will search it as web design. So now I will see lot of high quality and highly viewed portfolio items. So I can go to those portfolio items and find some design inspiration. So if you are in photography, you can just search hashtag photography or photoshoot or something similar to your industry, and you will see this type of design and check how they structure their design and create your own version of those design. So now let's create our design for Behance portfolio. So my design structure is really simple. As the preview I will use mockup preview, and then I will add typography and colors. Then I will add full landing page preview on mobile and desktop versions. Then I will add each and every section of those design to mockup. Also I will show you how to find mockups for free. So this video have two parts. This is the first part. So in this video I will show you how to create portfolio items or how to create images for your case study, and the next video I will show you how to create the case study on Behance using the created images and adding some description about the project. So let's start to design. As the first step we have to create a new page. So I will click on add new page button. Then I will add the name as case study, and now I will go to the Figma community to find mockups. To do that I will go to files and click here, then click on community. In the search bar I will search mockup UI kit, and now you will see this mockup kits. In here I will select this Figma trending most powerful mockup UI kit. So I will click on this and click on open in Figma. Alright, now we have the mockups. So as the first step I will add mockup on this MacBook Pro mockup and iPhone 13 Pro Max mockup. To do that I have to go to my design. So let's go to my design. To do that I have to go to my personal account, and here is the design. Click on it. Now let's add mockup here. Before we add the mockup here, we have to add it to browser. To do that we can add this desktop browser mockup, and so we have to place the image here. To do that I will go to the mockup and select those two sections and press Command G. Then if you are use Windows, it's Windows G and it will become a group. Then I go to export and make it 2x, then make the JPG, click on export group, and now I go to here, then just drag and drop this design here, and now I will put it inside this. So basically click this, and this is the screen. So to add it, just click on, just drag your image and put it here. So when I do it, it will add it to the browser preview, and now I have to adjust it like this. So just adjust it and replace this preview. Then I will click on this crop icon and crop it like fit in here. Okay, now we have the browser previews. Actually I need it on here, so let's put this here and click here, then click this, and now I will make it like this. Then I will click this one and delete it. Then I will click here and click here and put it like this. Then we have to change the URL. Double click on here, just click on here. We don't have the font, so now we have to choose a font. So I will just choose a font like this and click here. Still we have to select some font, so let's select this font, and I don't know what it is. Okay, for now it's okay. Just click here and I will change the title. Then I will add the URL. Then we have to change the FAV icon. So to do that, I will go here and click this and press Command C to copy it, and come here, just select this and paste it by pressing Command V, and just make it smaller, that fit here like this. Then put it on the FAV icon. Here is our icon. Just put it under here like this. Then click here and I just hide it, and now we have this layout. So now I will highlight all of this and press Ctrl G to make a group. Then I click on export, make it 2x and save as PNG, make it 2x, then export the design. Okay, now I go to the design and case study. Sorry, before we go to the design, we have to create the laptop markup. To do that, I will go to this mockup section, and in here we have to add this downloaded design like this. Okay, now I will make it fit with this, and now click to crop this additional part. Sorry, just crop it like this. Okay, no, we have to crop it more. Sorry, what's happening? Okay, right, let's crop it like this, and now it's perfect, but we have this rounded shape here. For now it will not be a big issue, so I will leave it as that. So now we have to do the same with this design. To do that, I will go to cartly.ai, I will go to my design and highlight this section. Let's highlight both of those sections and Press Command G to make it a group, and then export 2x JPG. Alright, let me open the cursor highlight. Then I will go to the markup and put it like this, and now I will paste it here and try to replace this section. So our image is here, we have to put it inside this paste here iPhone 13 markup component. So now select the design and click on crop. Let's crop it like this. Okay, it's look good. Okay, now I will click the MacBook markup and go to export PNG. Size will be 2x. Click on export markup and I will export the iPhone markup too. Alright, now I will go to the design and case study. Click the frame size will be 1400 because Behance portfolio item images should be 1400. Okay, now I will go to this template file. Actually I already downloaded them, so I will just put it like this, and let's make it like here. Before do that, we have to change the background color. So I like light blue background color, so let me find the color that I like. Okay, this is the color I used to background as our Behance portfolio. So I will make the size as 1400 and 800 pixels. So then I will add the iPhone markup here like this, then make it smaller. Okay, I think this look perfect. Alright, this will be the design. If we put it like this, and it will be perfectly aligned and perfectly created. So I will make it bit bigger like this. Okay, and now I will change the frame name to 1, and then I will duplicate this frame name by pressing Alt and drag it like here. Let's drag it here. Okay, now we have to add the typography and font colors. To do that, I will click this text icon and create a text. So this will be Poppins. I use Poppins because I like Poppin font, and now I will make the size as 50. Okay, this is our font, and before I go further, I will click this frame and add layout grid. So click this plus button and make it columns. Let's make 12 column grid, and let's make the margin as 140. 140 is too much, let's make it as 30. Okay, and now this will be the text. So this text will be typography. Let's change it to typography, and the next font will be, let's change it like this. This one will be colors or color, and now I will create a rectangle Actually you can create your own design. This is the way that I usually create. So make the corners as 10, let's make it 50. Okay, now we'll change the fill color to white. Okay, let's align it like this. And now my headline fonts will be Poppins. Yes, I think it's Poppins. So let's find out. Yes, the headline font is Poppin medium 50. I have to tell you, just be creative. Just don't copy only my design, because I don't know. You have to be creative. Okay, I will make it like this and duplicate this headline font. So, and I will change the font to 25. Let's add the font name. So our font name is Poppin. So let's get those information. Just click on the headline and click this inspect button, and now you will see all details. So I will copy this all details and sorry here, not here, and now I will just duplicate this text. And oh, I forgot, I only need to get the font name. So just copy the font name and come to case study. The font name is Poppins, and now I would like to show the preview. To do that, I will add text like headline, and now I will copy the typography details. Okay, now I will right click here and click on copy paste, then click on copy property, and now I go to case study and right click and click on paste property. Okay, then make this center. Let's change the space between those two. Now duplicate this. Let's make the gutter as 20, and now I will go again here. Sorry, I always forget. I just go to the page one and click on the paragraph text, inspect, copy the font, case study, then replace with this font name, and then paragraph, make this as paragraph, and go to page one, right click, copy paste, copy property, paste property. Okay, then make it center. Let's highlight those two and make those two center, then change the position to like 20. Okay. Let's make this design like this. Actually, I don't have any design ideas to create this design, so that's why we have to create that's why we have to check other design to get design inspiration. Okay, for now I will make it like this. I hope it look good, so I will make it as a group. Then okay, then we have to add colors. So to adding colors, this is the typography. Yeah, I already add the typography text. Let's make the colors. To make the colors, I will click here and click ellipse. Then I press shift and create the ellipse. So the ellipse size will be this size, and okay, then make few more ellipse. So we have few colors. So okay, now let's find out the main colors. So I can just get those colors from here. So our main color is this, and the second color is this. Let's add highlighted colors like this. I just add in the colors. Actually we have black color too, so the second one will be this black color, and the third one will be this color. So okay, click here, here. We also used white, so maybe let's add white as the least color that we use, the last color that we use. Did you see the pattern? So we just go to dark color to light colors. So we have to add another color. Let's see, do we have any colors? No, let's ignore those colors. So go to case study, and we only have those 5 colors. Nice. And sorry, let's add this rectangle. To do that, I duplicate it, and let's make it bit bigger. But now we have an issue because we used white color. So in this white background, white color is not showing, so I will add a stroke like this. Okay, and click here. Then let's see the preview. Does it look like? How does it look like? Okay. I don't like this stroke, so let's remove it, and we have to find another way. Just change the color of this rectangle. To do that, I will highlight both of those rectangles, and let's go for the dark color like this. And now I will change the font colors to white. Okay, so as I told before, just don't copy my style, just create your own unique style. Okay, and all right. 30. Okay, I hope looks good. Actually, we have to change the padding between those two sections, so I will click Ctrl G to group this, and now let's add the padding as 30. And okay, now make it center like this. Okay, all good. Now if we check the design, it will look like this. Okay, now I will change the size of this frame, so click on the frame and press command. So just click on the frame and press command, then change the size. Let's make it 90. And also here will be 90. Okay, now what we have to do, now we have to add the design. To do that, I will create new, or I will just duplicate the frame. So click on the frame, duplicate it by pressing Alt and dragging the design. Then I will remove those section, and the typography will be landing page. Let's change the padding to 16, top padding to 60, and press command and make it bigger. Then I go to the page 1 and click here, then make 2x and JPG, then click on export desktop. We are use this 2x to keep the quality of the design. If we export it as 1x, the quality will be reduced. Actually we have to use at least 3x. So the quality is really important. So if we just add image to this landing page layout, the image will be pixelated. So let me check the sample. Sorry. Okay, if we check it, the quality is pixelated. So we have a solution, that is adding the whole frame. To do that, I click on the frame and press Ctrl C, then go to case study, click on this frame and paste the frame inside this frame. Okay, now we have another issue, because this desktop preview size is 160 by 60, so our design size is 1400. So to fix it, I will just increase the size of this background frame, and let's make it like this. So let's see the preview now. Now you will see the quality of the design. And now I click on this desktop frame and add corners to 15 and click on the here, click on the effect and I will add blur to 15 and y will be 0. Okay, let's see the design. Okay, this is the design and nice. Now I will duplicate this third frame. Let's duplicate it, and now we have the fourth form. So I will make this as mobile and remove the desktop frame here and make this size to 1400. And now I will go to the page 1, copy the mobile frame and paste the mobile frame here. Like this. Let's add 15 to corners, then add the effect. Oh no, see, we have an issue here. To resolve it, I just have to do some adjustment and make a rectangle like this and change it fill color to this color. Okay, what was let's add this landing page design to here. Okay, then let's duplicate it and add it here. Nice. Alright, now we have to create the fourth frame. To do that, I will just click on the frame and duplicate it like this, and I will remove this mobile frame. And now we have to add some previews on the, actually we have to add after login design, so I forget it. Here is the after login or after sign up design, so I just copy it and copy the frame, paste the frame here. Let's get the size of this, width of this, and paste the width like this. Okay, here is the after sign up design, so let's add effect. Actually we can rename the effect or we can save the effect by clicking here and effect, press the plus sign and add the name as effect. Okay, click here, then select the effect. Alright, now I will change the name to after sign up hero section desktop. Sorry. Now I will do the same to the laptop version. Not laptop. I will do the same to the mobile version. So mobile, and let's add the mobile design. I think we have it. Yes, it's here. So copy it, paste here, and 15. Then add the effect. Then change the size of frame, press command and drag it like this. Let's make this center like this. Okay, now we have 4 pages, so let's create next one. This is the 5th one, and let's create mockups or markups for each section. Let's change the name to desktop mockups. So I saw an issue in here. This mockup, this iPhone 13 Pro Max mockup don't have this time and other details, so we have to change the screen. To do that, I will just put this screen like this. Okay, and now it looks perfect. Just copy this and come here, paste it here. Hope it come with the design. Yes, actually I have to download this, so just click on export and make it 2x PNG. Oh no, let's go here and let's do again. So just make a group and export 2x PNG, then drag and drop the PNG here and make it short or make it small. Sorry. Okay, I think now we fix that issue too. Okay, now we have to create the mockups. So let's create the desktop mockups. To do that, I go here and you can check all the mockups in here. In this case, we can add sections. So to do that, I will just download this desktop frame and select the frame and make it 3x. Click on export desktop, then go here and just drag and drop it here, then increase the size and insert the design here. So let's increase size like this. Okay, now we have to find the place. Okay, this is the place. So just copy this one and paste it here like this. All right, and let's crop the design. Okay, and now we have the design. So let's change this. Let's get the let's get this let's get this black color frame. So just change the text to cartly.com, and here I select all of this. Let's make a group and copy it. Let's go to case study and paste it here. Okay, but we have to do some changes. I see that our design is not set correctly, so it should be like this, and it should go little bit below like this. Okay, copy it, paste it here, and let's change it as we like. And now let's make it horizontal like this, and then I will keep it with the other section. To do that, I click the design and crop it like this, and copy the design, paste the design here, make it 60, and make this 90. What if we increase the size? No, let's make it center. And now we can add other design that we did before. Let's add compare prices section. So we are just adding those sections. Oh no, we actually changed the design of the first page, so we have to change that design again. However, I will keep do this, and I think we only have few more sections, so Okay, now let's add the mobile preview. So to do that, I will copy this frame and remove this. Then I will add the title called mobile mockups, and let's add the designs. To do that, I go here, then go to clay mockups page, and in here we have few designs. So let's use this design. So I go here and let's download those mobile items section by section. So click here and select JPG. Let's make 3x and click on export, and now in here I just paste it. Then here I will put it like this and crop it. So then let's check the angle is 25, so let's make the angle as 25. Okay, and now let's add the second part. Actually, if we export the whole design, the design will not look good. The design will be pixelated when we import it to Figma. So we have to chunk this design and add it one by one. Also, I have to do it on this desktop too. So now we have this second section. So let's export the next two sections. So let's export the about section and this home section. So let's make it 2x, export. Oh no, we have to group this. Just press Ctrl G to group it, and let's export it. Okay, paste the design here. Again we got that issue, so we have to do it one by one, and let's export the about section. So I have an idea. Let's put this inside this replace section like this, make it 25. And okay, just put it like this and make this align. Duplicate this design and put the design above the about design. Put it like this. So just make it like this, and in here we have to make the top corners as 0. So the bottom corners as the 0, like this. Okay, now I will crop this second design. Sorry. Okay, and then I will duplicate this one, put it here. Make it like this. Set 25 here. 25, 25. Okay. Now I will copy those three images and go here. Then go to the case study page. Put it on the 7th frame. So this should be go to the 7th frame like this. Let's see the preview. Okay, not bad, but if we get it as PNG files, we can adjust the size. So select this one. Then I will select those three sections and make it a group. Then click on export and let's make it 2x and download it as a PNG file. Then let's put it on the here, then make it bigger. I think it worked well. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now I go again here and we have to change the design. So just select those three sections and remove them. Actually, let's just remove those sections. And now again I can put this section here. Sorry. Okay, put this section like this and make it bigger. Like this. Then we have to copy the rest of this design. So just copy it and click on export, then export the design. So I will speed up the video, so if we don't do it, this will take a lot time. So Okay, now we have all the mockups and design. So now we have to create the thank you page. To do that, I will just get a copy from here, the second frame. Let's put it like here, and now remove these sections, then make the font like, let's add like 90. It's good, and make it center. Then we have to add something like thank you for watching. Let's add it here, thank you for watching, and make it center. Then I will add some more details. Let's add the name. So I will add my name 22. I add my name. Duplicate this. Okay. Let's make this bold and 60. Okay. And now let's add something like contact me for your next project, and I will add my email here. It should be hello@webexcellon.com. Okay, the URL is wrong. Not E. Alright, let's check it too. Okay, here is it, and now we have all the details. So let me make this as 90. Okay, now we have all the image designs, and now we have to create a video image. So if you go to my project, let's go to this one. In here you will see this type of image. So I create this video with Jitter. So let's do it. First of all, you have to create an account on Jitter and just check YouTube about how to create animations with Jitter and Figma. You will find lot of tutorials. So in this video I am not going to show it, so I already have it. So I will go to the page one, and I will select only the hero section, top header, and no need about section. I will group the hero section and top header, then select it and click here, plugins, Jitter. I already installed it, but somehow it's not here. So I will install the Jitter plugin, and let's click on copy. Okay, it will take few minutes. Okay, now let's click on open Jitter, and here we have, I have to sign into the Jitter account, so I will sign in. Okay, I click on the design, and now I can animate the design. So I will just check the video of Jitter, and you will see lot of videos. So I just make the animation. Then I will pop up this whole section at once. What happened? Press Control Z, something happened and I don't know what it is. So click on new animation. Add the animation. Wow, something wrong. It is stuck. Okay. Okay, something goes wrong. Please give me 3 minutes. Okay. All right. Let's see. And I don't like it. Let's change it. What the heck? Whoa. It's just stuck and I don't know what to do. Okay. Yeah, I like this one. Let's come on. Let's remove some of those tabs. I don't know the reason, but it is stuck. Oh, yeah. It never happened before. Let's reload it. Just check the Jitter tutorials or Jitter videos on the YouTube. If you want, I just create a video. Just let me know on the comment section. So now I will click this image and click new design and make it grow in. Then I will animate this like this. Okay, great. And in here I will also animate this to slide. No, great. See, so this is simple animation. It's look good for me. I don't know about you. And we also have to add some animation to this menu. So let's slide in. Nice. Okay, let's see the design. Great. See. Okay, now I will click on export, and on free account we can download 720p video. So just click on download and it will begin to download. When we download this on free version, we will have this type of we will have logo, the Jitter logo, but it's not a big deal for me. So if you don't want the logo, you can crop the design, or you can just buy the Jitter Pro account. So now here is the video. I will download this Jitter file. In next video we will use all of those screenshots and images and create the actual case study on